I earned over $200 with CPA marketing today using a free traffic method. And I'm going to show you a completely new approach to making money with CPA marketing. If you follow every step outlined in this video, you can achieve the same results. So, give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. Step 1. Register on CPA Grip. First, head over to CPAgrip.com, one of the top CPA networks. CPA Grip offers content lockers, URL and file lockers, video lockers, and much more. They also have excellent support, a dedicated payments team, and quick payment processing directly to your bank account. To get started, register on CPA Grip. Enter your first and last name, complete address, phone number, and a Skype ID, which is required to successfully register. For the publisher type, select Others. Provide your email, password, confirm the password, select your time zone, read the terms and conditions, check the required boxes, and click on Register Now. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will appear. Step 2. Create a URL locker. Next, click on Monetization Tools, then select URL or File Lockers. Click on Create New URL Locker, read the terms and conditions, tick the box, and click Continue to proceed. On the next page, we'll create a URL locker to start earning money. But before we set up the locker, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Set up Tubi TV. Visit tubiv.com, a platform where you can legally watch movies and TV shows for free, as it is supported by advertising from Fox Corporation. Register for a free account on Tubi TV using your Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to the Browse section at the top, then click on Most Popular. Choose a movie or TV show like The Sand and leave the web page open for now. Step 4. Configure your URL locker. Return to the CPA Grip URL and File Locker page. You'll see a preview of your locker, which updates automatically as you make changes. Name the locker for your reference, such as the Sand Movie Locker. For the button text, type Watch Now, since viewers can stream the movie on Tubi TV. In the offer selection box, type Choose an Offer, and in the next box, change the text to Complete an Offer below to continue. Now, paste the URL of the movie page from Tubi TV into the locked URL box. Update the anchor text to say, after completion, you can watch the full movie. You can check the preview on the right-hand side. Finally, click on Show Offer Manager to see the offers available to your visitors. Depending on the offer, you can earn between 30 cents and $4 per completed offer. For example, if you earn $2 on average per offer and get 100 people to complete an offer, you'll make over $200 a day. Once everything looks good, click Save to save your locker. Step 5. Promote your CPA Grip URL. Create a free website on sites.google.com and embed your CPA Grip URL. Promote this site on social media by sharing short movie clips on platforms like Reels and YouTube Shorts. With Reels going viral these days, if 1,000 people watch your Reel and 100 of them visit your website and complete an offer, you can earn $200 daily. To maximize your earnings, replicate this strategy with 15 to 20 different movies available on Tubi TV to see faster results. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.